over the last 3-4 days, we seem to be having a particular trend in terms of total number of cases. So while we had gone through a little bit of a dip, the numbers seem to now be a little bit more consistent in terms of not only number of cases but positivity rate, which means percentage of positives out of total samples done. 34 new cases yesterday, 180 samples. Vast amount of those in Orange Walk. So I think that's where the concentration of the efforts is for now. Is Orange Walk and Corozal that had a bit of a spike towards the end of last week and at the beginning of this week.
Is it your opinion that the public has relaxed in terms of taking the COVID pandemic as a continued serious threat?
Yeah, I think two things I think have driven this. One is, even though, there's lots of restrictions that are still in place, you cannot be having gatherings of more than 10. Those situations are still very much in place, and you're trying to minimize social interaction. But the sense that we are getting, especially from people on the field and in the rural communities, is that people have not really internalized the message. It seems that it's still people assuming that it's nothing of seriousness. Notwithstanding, we're still having people showing of critical ill and dying almost upon arrival at the hospital. So I think there's a sense of people having let their guard down a little bit, and I think that's part of the reason why we are seeing those numbers, particularly up north.